Wanted to do a quick video on a live brew day we've got coming up on September 26th, which is Sunday at noon Eastern Standard Time. We're going to be doing what we want to do, a community brew day. We're going to be brewing a nut brown ale. We're going to be doing an extract and an all grain kit in the Anvil Foundry. Kelly's going to be helping me out with it. And in anticipation of that, we've got a giveaway where Northern Brewer, one of our partners in the live brew day, is giving away 4 of these kits. I'll leave a link to our Facebook post that details all the giveaway instructions and how to enter and all that stuff. Also, during the live brew day, we're going to be doing a giveaway on Anvil products. We're going to be doing a giveaway on some Brewing America products. We're going to give away some of our merch. We're going to give away some Northern Brewer kits, same beer that we're brewing. So it's going to be a great time. Hopefully, you'll have a chance to go down there, check out the links, and if you want to brew the same kit with us, Northern Brewers actually provided us with a coupon code for 15% off of that kit. If you order it pretty soon here, you'll have it in plenty of time to be able to brew with us on Brew Day. So look forward to seeing you there, and go enter all the contests and everything. So hopefully you win.